I know so many of you are learning art on your own, but most self-taught artists have three problems. Number one, feeling overwhelmed with what's available, getting stuck, and number three, not knowing any professional artists and having no artist peers. Here's a program that solves all three problems. In my decades as an artist and college professor, this is our best program that I am the most proud of. I wanted to create art clubs so that artists could have a warm, supportive space to learn online. The amount of information that's out there is so overwhelming. It's incredible what we have at our fingertips, but I know that when I was trying to look up information about how to use egg tempera, I must have read 15 articles, probably skimmed at least 10 videos, and I still felt like I didn't get that nugget of information that I was really looking for. And so much of the content contradicts itself, and so you don't really know exactly who to trust. When I was trying solvent-free oil painting for the first time, there was somebody in art club who had a ton of experience. It was so fast just to ask that person. They gave me incredible information that probably would have taken me hours to find online. And best of all, I kept coming back with more questions, and it's just so easy to ask somebody. Number two is getting stuck. Pretty much every artwork I make, I get to this point where I'm stuck because I don't know what to do next, even though I know the piece isn't finished. Learning on your own, you're just guessing. You're banging your head against the wall. In art club, you can get a 2-minute audio critique from me, and right away, we will drop into your lap the things that you need to do next, and we'll also point out things that maybe you didn't even notice before. Or hop into a voice chat and ask us right then and there to critique the pieces and answer your questions. Number three is that most people learning art do not know any professional artist with whom they can speak to on voice. Almost all the artists that I talk to do not have artist friends in real life who they can commiserate with, who they can learn from. It becomes a very lonely experience to learn art without that community. I remember when I started art school, that feeling of meeting a true professional artist for the first time, and how that completely changed my idea of what art could be in my life. We've got a team of artists, which means a huge range of expertise. And oftentimes we don't agree with each other. Just watch me and Lauren on a voice chat sometimes. But I think that's very important so that you get a diverse range of opinions, and then you can step back and pick the one that you think really works for you. It's not just the staff, it's also the other members in art club who know so many different things that none of us on the staff know about. Anything you ask, you're going to get this incredible package of so much information. You can follow up. You can ask us to clarify things. People ask me a lot how they can learn things faster. On one hand, I don't really think you can learn things faster. It takes as long as it takes. But when you're surrounded by professional artists and an artist group, that truly is learning faster, because you don't have to spend so much time just searching and sifting through so much content to find something that's so specific that you just never find it and then you give up, which is, by the way, what I did with the egg tempera. All of the art club activities are consolidated in our Discord. I will hold your hand every step of the way to get you into the Discord. Art club activities include voice chats, open studio sessions, audio critiques, an exclusive video library, and more. Tell me in the comments if you've had one or more of those three problems.